Cameron over here eating a sandwich.
They squished.
You just heated up the croissants that we got. What's the name of that place over there in Italy at the World Showcase?
At the back of the France Pavilion.
Yeah.
They have really good sandwiches there, Mom. So we got some sandwiches to go.
Eat them while they're hot.
Dinner tonight.
They're really, really soft.
So we got a whole bunch of mess going on. We're trying to get packed up.
That's a good dinner right there.
Good. How is
Dinner
it?
while we pack.
Tasty, isn't it? Yep, dinner while we pack. We got a mess in here, y'all. But we're getting it together. I'm going to get it all packed up in those suitcases, and then I'll sling them on top of the roof rack in the morning. And then strap it down, and we hit the road.
Yep.
Oh boy, pizza's here.
Yeah, so if you're hungry and you want room service, you can get pizza delivered. Let's see how it looks. Oh, that's a pretty good looking pizza.
I was thinking it was going to be in the shape of a Mickey, though.
Aw. So we got pizza.
Mickey ears.
And then we've got breadsticks. Oh, those breadsticks look good. And a cup of marinara. Yeah, we just finished packing. You're having a packing party. So you saw the room a minute ago and there was stuff everywhere. Okay?
We had a clear table.
Yeah, the table was empty until the pizza got here. But see, the beds are clear. Everything's clear. The last suitcase is there.
I'm about to load this
Suitcases
up on the car.
are packed. We're about to load them up. But yeah, this is what you do on the last day at Disney.
Packing
You order
party.
pizza and you have a packing party. Me and Colby are outside at our resort. We're Caribbean Beach, and the Star Wars fireworks are about to start at 9 p.m. So we're gonna set up right here. Oh, I'm shivering a little bit. I do have the tripod, so I'm not gonna be shaking. But see, right over here above these buildings, you can see the Hollywood Studios fireworks, because we've watched Jingle Bell Jingle Bam from here. So tonight was the opening of The Last Jedi, and so they did Jingle Bell Jingle Bam at 6:30, and they're doing the Star Wars fireworks tonight at 9. So we came out to watch them. Okay, so the Star Wars fireworks weren't what we remember them to be. They must have done like a different version, because from here you can see big pops, and there's no big pops. It was just like the little peep, peep, peep,
Sometimes you get
yeah, but none of the big bursts.
Because I remember like there'd be a Death Star towards the end.
Yeah, huge. And
maybe because it's Darth Vader's not even in this new movie.
I don't know. I thought they were doing the same fireworks show, but we watched Jingle Bell Jingle Bam from right here, and we could see the big burst. But it's almost time for Illuminations, so we're just gonna hang out and watch Illuminations, because we could see, and we saw like little of fireworks, and we could hear the Star Wars music, but we didn't get the full show that we were anticipating. So we're gonna hang out another 10 minutes and see Illuminations.
But to you, it's a couple of seconds.
It is 6:15 in the morning. The breakfast buffet opens at 6:30, so we're the first ones here. It's unusual seeing this place empty. It's usually hopping. We're about to hit the road. Mickey waffles.
It's a drug mill right there.
Eggs, sausage, cheese eggs. So I think I want these eggs.
Farmer scramble. Mom, you want the farmer scramble?
Yeah.
Butter. Utensils. Set it that out. Got biscuits. These are all made. Got sausage gravy.
Those are crates.
Pineapple.
Pineapple crates.
Crates. We have ham, bacon, and cinnamon rolls. Have pastries, donuts, bagels, stuff. Just can't really see over the paper. Sorry about that. Got bread, croissants, more bread, and cupcakes. And then cheese.
Cinnamon rolls, bacon, ham, crepes, pineapple sauce, gravy and biscuits, hash browns, yogurt and fresh fruit.